Hey guys, it's ArtSea, and today I'm going to be teaching you an intermediate Balisong trick called the FIRESTARTER, and I will be using, of course, the flame because it matches the trick. So there's three parts to this trick. There's the double rollout, the spin, 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 and then there's a Zen rollover at the end. And you could do a behind the 8-ball at the end instead if that's the position you land in. You're going to start off by holding the safe handle. That's if you have your knuckles here, it's not going to get hit by the blade. You're going to do a double rollout. Hopefully you know a double rollout and a Zen rollover already. Those are in the description below. Another thing I would learn how to do before attempting this is getting both hands and trying to just spin the knife like this, changing directions every time your palm gets to the end of your fingers with the motion. But okay, let me continue with the trick. So you're going to do a double rollout. You're going to come around, and the momentum of this handle, you're going to be spinning the knife counterclockwise first. So as this is coming around, you're going to shift, and you're going to have your hand in the middle of the knife when you're doing this entire thing, so you are able to do that shift. So I'm here and I'm able to do the shift downward, but instead of going downward fully, I'm going to go like this, and as the handle's passing through, I'm going to transition to this, to the spinning motion, just because I want it to look smooth. So you're going to do spin out, you're going to come like that. And again, you're going to try and do the trick a little bit farther up the knife because you don't want this handle to hit the bottom of your wrist. So if I go really close, watch, if I go really close to the pivots, it's hitting me. It's hitting me, right? I want to go a little bit higher so there's a little more room for the whole thing to flow. And I want you to practice this motion. So you're getting your hand and you're pushing like you're starting a fire. That's why it's called the FIRESTARTER. So you're doing a double rollout, come around, counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise, move your hand down, and do a Zen rollover. I'll do it one more time fast. So you're doing a double rollout, 1, 2, 3, and Zen rollover. And again, so pretend you do a double rollout and you do 1, 2, 3, and you go a little farther than you're supposed to, then you can still finish the trick in a smooth way with the behind the 8-ball. You're just trying to have it land like this so you can put your thumb here and do the Zen rollover, but if it lands like this, again, you can still finish it in a smooth way. Also, thanks so much to all my Patreons that have helped and supported me throughout the years. By the way, I do offer lessons if you're trying to get a lot better at Balisong flipping in Tier 3 and Tier 4 if you're interested. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below any questions you have, and I'll make sure to answer them. Or you can DM me on Instagram. My Instagram's right here, and I will answer as soon as I can.